Now Japan 66, what is there in this one 66? Now there are some 6 people. Now 6 people P, Q, R, S, T and U. They are sitting in a cycle and some of them are north and some of them are south. Now no other parameter added to this one. Tell me whether it comes under the first or the second priority. And definitely under the first priority because there are only 6 persons are there. I 6 and 6 unar, it is easy to solve this one. And though it is some north, some south, then you need to take this one under the first priority. But 7 members or 8 or more than 8, definitely second priority. Then coming to this one, then S faces south direction and only 2 persons between Q and R. Now in between Q and R, how many? There are exactly 2. And R sits second to the left of S. S is facing towards which direction? South. And R is seated second to the left of whom? Second to the left of S. And R sits second to the left of S. S who does not sit at the extreme ends of the row. S is not at the extreme end of the row. Then how many persons in between R and Q? There are 2 people. One possibility can be Q like this. Then what is the other possibility? We have S is here. S is facing towards south. There are 2 people. R is here. And there are 2 people between R and Q. Is it possible or not? Now why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 persons were there. And this is the only possibility we have. And R sits second to the left. And S does not sit at the extreme ends of the line. And immediate neighbors of S are facing the same direction. And S neighbors, they are facing the same direction. And next one, and T and P face the same direction. T is 4 to the right of Q. But T is 4 to the right of Q, and so Q must be here. And T is 4 to the right of whom? T is 4 to the right of Q. As T is 4 to the right of Q, and left 4 to the right of Q means Q must be facing towards north. Clear? And T is 4 to the right of Q. And S neighbors are facing the same direction. This person is also facing the same direction. Now there are 5 persons altogether. 1 more person is left over. And T and P face the same direction. And T sits 4 to the right of Q. Immediate neighbors of U are facing opposite directions. And immediate neighbors of U are facing opposite direction means where should this U be? Ma U ekkalundali. Immediate neighbors are not. Immediate neighbors, can U be at this place? At the end unde chance undo? No. Why it is no? Now only one neighbor will be there. Immediate neighbors is not possible. Hence U cannot be at the left extreme or right extreme. And 5 persons were already done, hence U must be here. Ma U unte immediate neighbors of U. Emayaru. And immediate neighbors of U are opposite. Hence R must be facing towards north. Then next one. And the persons who are sitting at the extreme ends of the line opposite directions. Then P and Q are not immediate neighbors to each other. Now the person left over is P. P and Q are opposite directions. Q is north and P is south. Done with this? Then any other information regarding this T? T and P are facing the same. Now P is also facing the same direction. Done with this? Now this is about question number 66 to 70. The next one, what is the position of U with respect to T? Now position of U with respect to T, what is the position here? Third to the right. Now, and position of U, that is second to the right hand side, that is choice to question number 66. Then, and who sits third to the left of R? 1, 2, 3, Q, that is choice 1. And if all the persons are arranged in alphabetical order from left hand side to right hand side, then how many persons will change their position? How many will change their position again? Then here P, Q, R, S, T, U. Except all the remaining persons changed their places. Hence more than 4, that is choice for question number 68. Then which of the following is false? And 2 persons in between S and T, that is true. And U is an immediate left of S. And U is immediate left of S is also true. And Q and R face the same direction as P, that is false. Choice 3, question number 69. And odd one out, S and R. In between S and R, there is exactly 1. U and Q, 1 person. And P and U, there are 2 persons. S and Q, they are adjacent to each other. Then it does not fall under that category. My next one, Japan. Directions S and R. And S and R face opposite directions. U and Q, same direction. And P and U, opposite direction. S and Q, opposite direction. And T and R, opposite direction. Then what is your answer here? Choice 2. Then question number 70, it is choice 2. Then 71 to 75. Japan 71. Now in this 71, the relation between S and E. మా ఎస్కి ఈకి మధ్యలో రిలేషన్ చెప్పండి. ఈ ఈజ్ హియర్, ఎస్ ఈజ్ హియర్. ఫ్రమ్ ఈ టు ఎస్, ఈ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఎస్, ఎస్ లెస్సర్ దాన్ ఈ. అండ్ యూ అండ్ ఎస్, ఎస్ ఈజ్ హియర్, యూ ఈజ్ హియర్, ఎస్ లెస్సర్ దాన్ యూ, యూ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఎస్. Both 1 and 2, choice 1, question number 71. Then 72, R and V. R and V, P equals to V. Hence in the place of V, you can take it as P or not. R greater than P, R lesser than or equals to P. And there is a chance of either or. Provided, now in between P and R, you need to have opposite symbol. Now P ikkada, R ikkada. One greater than, one lesser than. Opposite symbol, either 1 or 2, that is choice 3, question number 72. Then 73, R and T. Now T is here, R is here, T lesser than R greater than T. And F and S. F is here, S is here, then greater than, less than, 2 opposite symbols, so no relation. And so only 1 is 2, choice 5, question number 73. Then 74, A and X. A and V. Now V and A opposite symbol. M and X. X is here, M is here. Now between these two, X lesser than or equals to M. M greater than or equals to X, and only 2, that is choice 2, 74. Then 75 onwards. Now 75 to 80, now 6 persons on 13th or 28th of months. What are the months we have? March, June and this one. Now 3 months and 2 different dates, 6 persons, first are the second priority. And first priority, this is March 13, and next one, March 13 and March 28. And in the same way, March, June and October. Now June 13 and June 28. And in the same way, October 13 and October 28. Now altogether how many persons are there? 6 persons. Now 6 persons on these 6 different dates. Then coming to condition number 1. Now in this condition number 1, now the persons are in between, 3 persons in between U and S. In between U and S, how many? There must be exactly 3. And R and P were born in the same month. R and P same month. And U was born on an even numbered date, but not on an even numbered month. Even numbered month. Now what do you mean by this one, even numbered month? Now, sir, even numbered month means, now January is the first month, February is the second month, March is the third month, 1, 3, 5, and all these are odd numbered month. Here he is not talking about the number of days in that month. Odd number position. February, April, June, and they are called as even numbered months. Clear? And here you was born in an even numbered date, isn't it? But not in an even numbered month, and you must be odd numbered month, either March, only March. Because June 6th month, October 10th month. June 6th month, October 10th month. 6 and 10th are what? Even number. But not on an even numbered month. Hence this person must be on an odd numbered month. Odd numbered month we have only March. October number entama? Nilpan. Chappan. January 1, February 2, March 3. Count 4, 5, June, July, August, September, October. October 10th month. 10 is what? Odd number or an even number? Mami doubt chappan. Now get 31. Number of days into 31. I do agree. Is he talking number of days or numbered month? Days and matladu, but not in an even numbered month. Clear? Now meek ela undali. You was born in an even numbered date, but not in the month which is having even number of days. Is there a number of days? No, he is not talking about the days. He is talking about the position of the month in a calendar year. Got this one? Hence, October, even numbered month or odd numbered month? Even numbered month. June, even numbered month. March, third month. Third month is odd numbered month. Clear? Fine. Michael, definitely మీరు అడ్డం పడతారు, అందుకే ఎంతసేపు మాట్లాడవలసి వచ్చింది. Now in some cases he will talk about days, and in some cases he will talk about position of the month in a calendar year. Then here, where should this U be? U must be here. Now in between U and S, how many people? 3 people, S is here. Then T was born. Then whatever this one, T and P, R and P were born in the same month. Now if P is here, R will be here, R is here, P will be here. Ante kada? They are born in the same month. T was born immediately before S, T is here. And if T is here, Q must be at this place. And P did not born after R. P must be before this R. and P is before this R, P and R must be in this order. Again the arrangement. Then now this is about question number 75 to 79. Shall I explain the questions or not required? Then coming to question number 80 onwards. My 80 onwards, it comes under which category? Directions first or the second, and definitely under the first priority, question number 80 onwards. Now A is 8 meters to the south of P. Where is A? A is 8 meters to the south of P. P is here and A is here, and A is how many meters? 8 meters to the south of P. And point R is 4 meters to the east of A. Now this is R, which is 4 meters to the east of A. R is 3 meters to the south of E. Now between E and R, and 8 meters. R is 3 meters to the south of E. R is 3 meters to the south of E. Now this is P we have, and R is 8 meters. Then up to here, and this is how much? This is 3, and this is 5. And E is 2 meters to the west of T. E is 2 meters to the west of T. The distance between these two is 2 meters. And C is 3 meters to the north of T. And C is how many meters? 3 meters. Now C is 3 meters to the north of T. And next one, Q is 5 meters to the west of C. And Q is 5 meters. Now from here to here, this is 2, and this is 3, out of this 4. Saripenda? And A is in which direction with respect to Q? Now we need to find out the position of A with respect to Q. Now in order to reach to A from Q, south and west, southwest. Now southwest, choice 3, question number 18. Then shortest distance between E and P. Now E and P, P is here, E is here. Now out of this, now this is how much? Vertical direction is how much? 5. Horizontal is so much? Now this is, and horizontal is 4. Now 5 and 4. 5 is so much? 25. And 4 is 16. Now root over 41, choice 3, question number 81. And 82, G is 2 meters to the south of P. Now G is 2 meters to the south of P. And where should this G be? G must be exactly here. And how many meters? 2 meters. Now if this is 2, this is equals to 3. Then distance between Q and G. Now this distance. Now how much is this one? Out of this 4. Now this is 3, this is 1. 1 meter, choice 3, question number 82. Then 83 onwards. My first or the second? My first or second? Then coming to question number 83. Now in this 83, only a few trees are green. Only a few trees are green. Only a few trees. Now these are the trees that are green. Only some trees are green, but not all. And only a few green is yellow. Now some green is yellow, but not all. And all yellow is color. Now this entire yellow is a part of what? Color. Some trees are not green as of now, trying. May the false and angel. All trees are green. Is it possible? No, because only some trees are green, but not all. Hence, some trees are not green, definitely true. Then coming to the next one, second Japan. And some colors are not yellow, that is true. All colors are yellow. All colors are yellow. Is it possible? Why it is no? All colors are yellow. Some colors are not yellow, and all colors are yellow. ఎలా చెప్తారు? చెప్పండి గట్టిగా. కలర్స్ అండ్ ఈ రెండు సేమ్. ఎన్నిసార్లు మాట్లాడుకున్నాం ఇది? అవునా కదా? కనీసం 3 సార్లు చెప్పా, పాయింట్ అవుట్ చేసి మరీ చెప్పా. ఆల్ కలర్స్ ఆర్ ఎల్లో. ఆల్ ఏఎస్ఆర్బీస్ దెర్ ఆర్ 2 different ways. ఇది ఫస్ట్ది. నెక్స్ట్ది ఏం మాట్లాడడం? ఏ ఈక్వల్స్ టు బి. అవునా కదా? దెన్ నా ఇప్పుడు ఏమైపోయింది? ఆల్ కలర్స్ ఆర్ ఎల్లో ఈజ్ టు, సమ్ కలర్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఎల్లో విల్ బి ఫాల్స్. క్లియర్? And so only one that is given which choice? Choice 4, question number 83. Follow here లేదా? all ASRBs ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చా లేదా? ఈ కేసులో రాసుకొని it is a possible diagram. Then coming to 84, all alphabets are digits. All these alphabets are what? Are digits. All alphabets are digits. Now these are the alphabets that are digits. All alphabets are what? Digits. And next one, only a few digits are codes. Some of the digits are codes, but not all. And some codes are not symbols. Now these are the codes that are not symbols. Then first one, some symbols are not codes. True or false? True. As of now, true. Then next one, some alphabets are not codes. Now that is also true as of now. To make these two conclusions false. Now we need to draw the alternate diagram. Some symbols are not codes means all symbols are code. Mera raicha rai kurdam. Now, if you write like this, then only a few digits are, or some codes are not symbol. Now here also these are the codes that are not symbols. Valid or not? And statement valid or invalid? Statement invalid, alternate diagram true, previous conclusion will be false. Clear? The next one. Some alphabets are not codes. If false and all alphabets are codes, tell me whether I can able to write like this or not. Right or right? My digits మొత్తం దీంట్లోకి వెళ్ళకూడదు. But it's here. Now alphabets ఇందులోకి రావచ్చు కదా. Alternate diagram true, previous conclusion false. Then what is your answer? Neither one nor two. Neither one nor two, that is given in choice. Choice 5, question number 84. Then 85. Now in this 85, and all ducks are dogs. Now these are the ducks that are dog. All these ducks are what? All ducks are dogs. And no dog is doll. No dog is doll, no intersection between dog and a doll. And only a few dolls are damages. Now these are the dolls that are damages. Only some dolls but not all. Saripenda leda. Then first one, some damages can be dogs. Some damages can be dogs. Ma damage and dog ila raskocha leda. Some damages are dogs. Ila raicha raikudam. Matladali. Endukuno? Maybe damage is dog kada. Ee rendu kalapurdu kada. Doll and dog. Doll ni kalapatledu. Damage ni kaluputunnam. Range కూడా ఏం కావాలి మనకి? Some damages are dogs. Possible or not possible? Possible. Then next one, some ducks can be dolls. Duck and doll. మా డక్కు డాల్ కలపాలి అన్నాడు. డక్కు డాల్ కలిపే ఛాన్స్ ఉందో? నో. వైడ్ ఈజ్ నో. మా అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ డాల్ ఇలా రాయాలి. డాల్ ఇలా రాస్తే ఏమైపోయింది? నో డాల్ ఈజ్ డాగ్ విల్ బికమ్ ఫాల్స్. స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇన్వాలిడ్. దట్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్ యాజ్ వెల్. కనుక ఆన్సర్ ఏమైంది? ఓన్లీ one. Only one, that is given in choice 2, 85. Then 86. Some glasses are not bowls. Now these are the glasses that are not bowls. Some glasses are not bowls. And only a few bowls are plates. Some of the bowls are plates but not all. This entire bowl cannot be a part of plate. All plates are spoon. All these plates is a part of spoon. Then all bowls can be spoons అన్నాం. మా బౌల్స్ అన్ని స్పూన్స్ అవ్వచ్చు అవ్వకూడదు? మాట్లాడాలి. వైట్ ఈజ్ నో. బౌల్స్ ఎన్ని అవ్వకూడదు? బౌల్స్ అన్ని ప్లేట్స్ అవ్వకూడదు కదమ్మా. క్లియర్? నో. బౌల్స్ అన్ని ప్లేట్స్ అవ్వకూడదు. కానీ బౌల్స్ అన్ని స్పూన్స్ ఎందుకు అవ్వకూడదు? అవ్వచ్చా లేదా? క్లియర్? అండ్ పాసిబుల్ ఆర్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్? పాసిబుల్. సమ్ బౌల్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ ప్లేట్స్. నౌ దీస్ ఆర్ ద బౌల్స్ దట్ ఆర్ నాట్ ప్లేట్స్. ట్రూ అయింది. అది ఫాల్స్ అవ్వాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? ఆల్ బౌల్స్ ఆర్ ప్లేట్. Is it possible? No, because only a few bowls but not all. Clear? This entire bowl cannot be part of plate. లోపలికి వెళ్ళకూడదు. And alternate diagram cannot be done. This will be true forever. Then what is your answer? Both 1 and 2, choice for 86. And 87, all days are Mondays. Now all days are Mondays. These are the days that are Mondays, day and a Monday. And in the same way, all Mondays are Saturdays. All days are Mondays, all Mondays are Saturdays. Some Saturdays are not weekend. Now some Saturdays are not weekend, Saturday and weekend. Now if you observe here today, in almost all the questions we have come across, some not in the statement itself. ఎందుకంటే మీరు ఈ మధ్యకాలంలో బాగా ఇబ్బంది పడుతుంది ఒక్క స్టేట్మెంట్. క్లియర్? యు ఆర్ వెరీ కంఫర్ట్ విత్ ఓన్లీ a few. Even you are comfort with only A's or B's as well. Now this is the statement where most of you people still feeling some ప్రాబ్లం ఇన్ దిస్. అందుకే ఎక్కువ క్వశ్చన్ దీంతో ఇంక్లూడ్ చేసాం. సమ్ మండే ఈజ్ నాట్ వీకెండ్ అన్నారు. సమ్ మండే ఈజ్ నాట్ వీకెండ్. నో మండే ఈజ్ వీకెండ్. సమ్ మండే ఈజ్ నాట్ వీకెండ్. ట్రూ అయింది. మీది ఫాల్స్ అవ్వాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? ఆల్ మండే ఈజ్ వీకెండ్. ఎలా డ్రా చేయాలి? ఆల్ మండే ఈజ్ వీకెండ్ ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చా లేదా? రాయచ్చా రాయకూడదాం? రాయచ్చు. నో సమ్ సాటర్డేస్ ఆర్ నాట్ వీకెండ్. దీస్ ఆర్ ద సాటర్డేస్ దట్ ఆర్ నాట్ వీకెండ్. సరిపోయిందా లేదా డయాగ్రామ్? అంటే దీన్ని కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఇచ్చిన ఆల్ సాటర్డేస్ వీకెండ్ అవ్వకూడదు అంతే. క్లియర్? Rest everything can be true. Hence alternate diagram true. Alternate diagram true. Previous conclusion false. Previous conclusion has become false. Then next one. All Saturdays are days. All Saturdays are days. All days are Saturdays. Some Saturdays are days but not all. Neither one not two. Choice 2, question number 87. Then 88. Now in this 88 onwards, first or the second priority. And first priority. Now here how many persons are there? There are some 7 persons. Now 7 members. R is the brother-in-law of V. R is the brother-in-law of V. ఎలా తీసుకోవాలి? R is the brother-in-law of V. R is the brother-in-law of V. మా టూ పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఏమేమవుతాయి? ఆర్ ఈజ్ ద బ్రదర్ ఇన్ లా ఆఫ్ వి అన్నాం. స్పౌజెస్ బ్రదర్ ఆర్ సిస్టర్స్ హస్బెండ్. అమ్మ ఇవన్నీ ఎందుకు చెప్పండి, మనం ఏం మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నాం రోజు? ఆర్ ఈజ్ ద బ్రదర్ ఇన్ లా ఆఫ్ వి అంటే కీప్ దిస్ వన్ అండర్ ద లాస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ అనుకోండి. మీరు అది చెప్పాలి. పాసిబిలిటీలు ఎందుకు మాట్లాడుతున్నాం ఇప్పుడు? ఆర్ యూ టేకింగ్ దిస్ వన్ డైరెక్ట్లీ? అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి మీరు రోజును. అర్థమవుతుందో? ఈ మధ్య మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, మేము ఫస్టే ఇస్తాం ఇది ఎప్పుడు, మీరేం చేయాలి లాస్ట్లో తీసుకోవాలి. ఎందుకు ఫస్ట్లో తీసుకుంటే రెండు పాసిబిలిటీస్తో మొదలు పెట్టుకోవాలి, కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారో టైం వేస్ట్. క్లియర్? దెన్ ఆర్ ఈజ్ ద బ్రదర్ ఇన్ లా ఆఫ్ ఎలా తీసుకోవాలి? లాస్ట్లో తీసుకోవాలి. గుడ్. నౌ ఎస్ ఈజ్ ద ఓన్లీ డాటర్ ఆఫ్ కే. నౌ కే ఈజ్ హియర్, ఎస్ ఈజ్ ద ఓన్లీ డాటర్. It doesn't mean that only one child. You can have n number of children and the remaining persons can be the sons. There is only one daughter, yes. S is the only daughter of K. K is the spouse of W. Now K and W are married to each other. W is the grandfather of A unknown and grandfather, and K is a female. A is the niece of V. R has one son and one daughter and K has two children. Now K is having how many? Two children. Then R is the brother-in-law of V unknown. Then here, S is the only daughter of K, K is the spouse of W, W is the grandfather of whom? W is the grandfather of. J is the niece of V. J is the niece of V. J is the niece of V. తీసుకోవచ్చా లేదా ఇక్కడ J? J is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then next one, J is the niece of V and W is the grandfather of A. Now W is the grandfather of A, we can have A at this place as well. రెండు possibilities ఉంటాయి. W is the grandfather of A. R has one son and one daughter. R has one son and one daughter. R is here. R is here. R is the brother-in-law of V. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? Now K is having only one daughter. V is a male. K is having only one daughter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then R has one son and one daughter. And daughter is A, son is A. How is A related to K? K's daughter's son. Daughter's son, grandson. Grandson choice to 88. And 89, if M is the mother of R, my M is the mother of R and ఎక్కడ రావాలి? M is the mother of R, M is here. M is the mother of R, how is S related to M? Now, S is daughter-in-law. M's son's wife is daughter-in-law, choice 3. And how is V related to A? A is mother's brother, uncle, that is choice 1, question number 90. Then 91 onwards. 91 to 95, there are some 7 color. 7 boxes were there and 3 boxes are kept between red and blue. Now in between red and blue, how many boxes? There are some 3 boxes. My first priority na, second priority na. My second పెట్టుకోండి. ఎందుకంటే ఇంతవరకు till now we have done all the questions. మా 90 వరకు అయిపోయినాయి కదా. That means how many questions you have done? 25 questions. Then you are left with only 10 more. And out of these 10 more, మా 91 to 95 తర్వాత క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి. 96 to 97. నా విచ్ ఈజ్ ఈజియర్? 91 to 95, 96 onwards. మా ఫస్ట్ ఇది చేసుకున్న తర్వాత 91కి రావాలి. క్లియర్? దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ 98 to 100 ఇది చూడండి. దేంట్లో ఏది ఈజీ మనకి? దట్ మీన్స్ 96 to 100 యూ కెన్ ఈజీలీ సాల్వ్ దోస్ 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ మచ్ ఈజియర్ అండ్ మచ్ ఫాస్టర్ వెన్ కంపేర్డ్ విత్ 91 to 95. అందుకు 91 to 95 సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీ పెట్టుకోండి. ఆల్రెడీ 25 అయిపోయింది, ఇంకా మనకేంటి మన టార్గెట్? అనదర్ 5. ఆ 5లో ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏది ఫస్ట్ అవుతుందో అది. అండ్ సో స్ట్రాటజీ అండ్ ప్రయారిటీస్ విల్ వ్యారీ ఫ్రమ్ పేపర్ టు పేపర్. మా ఇదే సెట్ మనకి వేరే పేపర్లు ఇచ్చారు అనుకోండి, రిమైనింగ్ అన్ని డిఫికల్ట్ ఉంటే ఇది ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ వస్తుంది. ఈ పేపర్లు అన్నీ ఈజీ ఉన్నాయి, అందుకు దీన్ని సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీ పెట్టుకోండి. స్టిల్ ఇంకా టైం ఉంటే దెన్ యూ నీడ్ టు కమ్ దిస్ వన్ అండ్ వర్క్అవుట్ దిస్ వన్ ఇన్ ద సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీ. ఓకే, దెన్ మా చెప్పండి 96 onwards. Now in this question number 96, first and the third are interchanged అంటే ఏమవ్వాలి? And for law, the entire number will be reversed. Clear? Entire number will be reversed. Sum of the third lowest number అన్నాడు. Lowest number. Now which digit is coming to the first place? Third digit. Third digit ఇది 9 అయింది, 6 అయింది, 4 అయింది, 7 అయింది, 1 అయింది. ఇది lowest. ఇది second lowest. ఇది third lowest. Then some 3 plus 4, 7 plus 6, 13 joins. 96. Then 97. Second digit of the lowest number. Lowest number ఎంత ఉంది చెప్పండి? 274. Second digit is 7. and is multiplied with what? And second digit of the highest number. Highest number 937. 7 into 3, 21, choice for 97. మా అయిపోయింది కదా, మా ఇంత ముందుది డిస్క్రిప్టివ్ చదివే టైంకి మీకు అయిపోతాయి 2 క్వశ్చన్స్. దెన్ 98. Now there are some 6 persons by different article and with different amounts. That means it comes under comparison. Comparison first or the second? First priority. Then G more than K but less than L. K does not spend the minimum. K cannot be at this place. Avuna kada? And J spent fewer amount than L. J is less than L but more than I. Clear? And G spent more than only 2. G has spent more than only 2. G must be here. 6 persons. Now there are 6 persons were there. Ma K gurinchi emanna cheppandi. And K cannot be the last. Okay? Then G but not L. K does not spend meant J spent fewer amount than L but not I, and G spent more than only 2 people. Hence G must be at the 4th place. And H spent more amount than J as well. Now H is more than J. Avuna kada? And H is more than J. Tell me what is the possibility we have here? Ma cheppandi. First ఏం రావాలి? L. మా H ఎందుకు రాకూడదు? మా L కి H కి మధ్య ఏదైనా రిలేషన్ ఉందా? H spent more than J. That J can be and J is here. H can be L, after L or before L, isn't it? Hence L or H, L or H. Madhvayinda leda? Then next one. What is the next one we have? After this. Now between G and G is already there, hence J must be here. Ma K ikkada undakodu, K is here, I will be here. Then second highest, either L or H. Andike akkada ichchadu answer. Then 99. And which is true? K spent more than J. K spent more than J, false. K spent more than only 1 person, that is true. Only 2. Then 100. How many spent more than J? There are only 2, choice for is the 100. Clear? Then coming to 91 to 95. This is the second priority chain. Now here in this, there are some 7 colors. Now these 7 colors and black and so on stacked one above the other but not necessarily in the same order. There are 3 boxes between red and blue. In between red and blue, how many? There are exactly 3. And so many possibilities we have between these 2. And red and blue, if red is here, then 1, 2, 3. Now blue will be here. 5 అయిపోయినాయి కదా? Remaining 2 can be both before red, both after blue, 1 before red, 1 after blue. Clear? 3 possibilities. And at the same time, what is the other case we have? Maybe blue can be before this red. There are exactly 3 in between these 2. Red is here. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? Red and blue, there are exactly 3. Green box is immediately below blue. Now this is green, which is immediately below blue. Now green is immediately below blue. Now this is green, which is immediately below blue. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? Immediately below. Pink box is not kept immediate to black. That is, pink and black cannot be adjacent to each other. Pink and black are not. Yellow is kept immediately above blue. And yellow is immediately above blue. This is yellow, which is immediately above blue. And yellow is which is immediately above blue. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? Now 6 were there. Then next one, and only 1 box in between white and pink. Now in between white and pink, there must be exactly 1. And 1 box between white and pink, white or pink, white or pink. Ante kada? Now here again white or pink, then white or pink will be here. Then what is the other thing left over here? White or pink, black. Now this must be black in color. And similarly here, this must be black in color. Then black fix అయిపోయిందా లేదా black? Then and less than 3 boxes below green. Below green less than 3. Now here how many boxes are there? 4. Is it possible? Not possible. And less than 3. And less than 3 boxes kept below green. And below green, green itself is at the lowest box, 0. Then pink and black are not adjacent to each other. As pink and black are not adjacent to each other, pink cannot be here. Pink cannot be here, white is here, and pink must be at the top. Now this is pink and this is white. Clear? Now this is about question numbers 91 to 95. అయిపోయిందా పేపర్? then again 41 number series. మరి చెప్పండి question numbers 41 onwards. As today evening from 7:15 onwards, and we are conducting current affairs session, and it will take care of your August, clear, and July month current affairs, most probably around 2 hours we are going to spend today. Now these current affairs will be useful for your SBI as well, for LBO as well, isn't it? Hence try to learn as far as possible. No? Then coming to question number 41 on. All are, okay, all you people can come to the class. There is no restriction on any one of this one. My exam రాశారా లేదా దాంతో సంబంధం లేదు. And that will be kept at the last. 7 o'clock you can come and join that session. 7 to 8:45. Okay? Then coming back to this one, finding the next number. Now 400 and 800 ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ? Now 400 and 800, here the difference is so much? 400. Then what is the next difference? 18. Next difference 16. 16 into 5 into 5 సరిపోయిందా లేదా? మా నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఎంత వస్తుంది? మా 16 divided by 5 ఎంత రావాలి? 3.2 and 3.2. And 3.2 divided by 5 ఎంత రావాలి? And 3.2 divided by 2. And 0.64. మా 0.64 when added to 899 ఎంత రావాలి? 899.84, that is choice 2. Divided by 5 differences. Then 42. 20 and 38, what is the difference we have? 18. 20 and 38, 18. Next 38 and 74. Ma indiki into 2 minus avatla. Now into 2 minus 2. 38 into 2 minus 2. 74 into 2 minus 2. Now into 2 minus 2, 290 into 2. 580 minus 2, 578 choice. మా డిఫరెన్స్ తీసుకుని మళ్ళీ డిఫరెన్సెస్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెన్స్కి వెళ్ళాలి. దెన్ ఇంటూ 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 2, క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 42. దెన్ 43. మా 40 and 20 ఎలా రాయాలి? Now 40 into 0.5 is 20. Now this is 1 into 1.5. Now this is 2.5. Now this is 3.5. Next one is 4.5. Now 262 into 4.5 ఎంత అవుతుంది? Then that is 11. మా 262 into 4.5 ఎంత వస్తుంది మనకు ఆన్సర్? 11,111,112.75 వస్తుందా? 1181 వస్తుందా? 1181. Choice 1 is the answer. 40. Then coming to 44. And in this 44, 12, 13 difference ఎంత వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ? 1. Next one 8. Next one 64. 1 cube, 2 cube, 4 cube, 1, 2, 4. మన నెక్స్ట్ ఎంత వస్తుంది? 5. 85 and this one, what is the difference we have? Then 85, 512 వస్తుంది. 8 cube plus 1 plus 2 plus into 2 into 2 into 2 అవునా కదా? 8 into 2 ఎంత రావాలి? No, 16 cube 4096. 4096 plus 500 ఎంత వస్తుంది? And 4600. That is choice 4. Clear? Now differences are cubes of 1 cube, 2 cube, 4 cube, 8 cube, 16 cube, 32 cube and so on. Into 2 into 2 into 2. Then 45. 5 and 12.5. Am I right? And 5 and 12.5. Now if you update here 105 and 427. 105 into how much? 105 into 3 రాసుకోవచ్చా? And into 3. And 105 into 3 అంటే ఎంత అవుతుంది చెప్పండి? Now 105 into 4 కదా ఇది? 105 into 4 and 420 plus 7.5. Then ఇక్కడ ఎలా రాయాలి? Now into 3. 32.5 into 3. 97.5 plus 7. Plus 7.5. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? కనుక ఇదంతా into 2 plus 7.5. 12.5 into 2, 25 plus 7.5, 32.5. Then into 1 plus 7.5. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? Then into 5 plus 7.5 అన్నాం. Now into 5 plus 7.5. 425 into 5 ఎంత రావాలి? Divided by 2, 21 వచ్చింది 30 and 37. 37.5. 2137.5. plus 7.5 అన్నారు. Mandravali 37 plus 7, 44, 45. 45, what is your answer? 2145. Times 2. And next is quant. And again, as I said yesterday, tomorrow you have descriptive class, morning 6:30 onwards in the same room. Anyone can attend to the descriptive class, and that is not only for target main students, it is for each and everyone. Clear? Then now you can come. All are invited. Now, మీకు ఎటువంటి restriction ఉండదు, అందరూ రావచ్చు. Attendance also will not be taken. Clear?